Welcome everyone. In the last two videos of loan amortization, we have learned about to check the payment, the month, how to calculate the payment, the interest and the principals. And now we would like to calculate the amount. And then we are going to wrap up this loan amortization section for this Excel tutorial. So to uh, to calculate the amount, we would like to first input the Excel formula, which is equal to sum. It shows we have to put the number one. So the number one is, which you can see that the first number is taka 1 lakh taka, which is the principal amount. Then we would like to put the comma, and then the principal, the first month principal amount, which is this. We are going to close the bracket. So yes, this is the first amount, and there we are not required to change anything. So we would like to drag this down to 60 months. Ta-da. You can see that the 60 months sum payment is 0, which means all the loan payment is paid up. So this is the chart, this is the variables we are having to create all this huge loan amortization chart, and this is the result, which is month 2 payment, the interest, the principal and amount, which is all the way down to here. So this is loan amortization table. We are very sorry, I am taking too much time for making this loan amortization, because the loan amortization table is much difficult here for me to understand. I have to understand this first, then I uh, I I manage the guts to teach you. So mm, this is the last video of loan amortization. Thank you everyone for joining me till the date. Thank you.